I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, and I'm talking about generational wealth, making money online, business credit, and things of that nature. But today, I just simply want to say thank you very, very much. Okay. I just hit 8K subscribers. Seems like, I was just at 333. So for y'all that you've been rocking with me, I appreciate y'all. I started this platform really just sharing information that I was coming across because I was looking to try to start a business, build business, and in that process, I figured out about business credit and things and start sharing the information because I was looking for people that could break it down in a manner that was relatable. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully I help some people do that. If any of this information was ever beneficial to you, thank you. For those you all that I've learned from, I want to say thank you. It's been a lot of growing, a lot of learning experience. I'm naturally like an introvert, but I can be sociable. But when it comes to doing this, I just made a decision to put myself out here. So that comes with it, with putting yourself on a platform. Come with trolls, it come with different other things. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. But I'm grateful for all the family that has show their love, support, and anybody that I've gave any beneficial insight to allow themselves to grow. Because to be honest, I didn't get on this platform. I really didn't know what to expect, and I was just wanted to plant seeds with people, and and build with like-minded people, and that's it's pretty much what I've been doing. It's not for me. I'm not no guru or no master teacher or anything. It's just sharing my insight on how I feel about things, and I'm just like you all. So, if you all have something that you want to do, go out and do it. As far as what I'll be working on this channel, I'm still going to be talking about ways, generational wealth, things of that nature. Really going to be hitting this cryptocurrency field a little heavy. I'm late. I'm hella late, but I'm just getting into the foreign exchange. Like, I was doing it before, but I had so much stuff going on, so many distractions that I had took the time out to really sit down and hone in and focus on it. And stuff is starting to make sense. And, with the economy, it's very, very important that everybody, overstands, different things from a monetary standpoint, different types of money, fiat money, commodity money, and all that. And so I've been just, diving deeper off into that. I got a couple other things I'm doing business-wise, but they're not associated with this channel and the stuff I talk about. And I know the socioeconomics been talking a lot about that. I got a couple more videos I'll drop and give y'all some insight, but give it about 2 or 3 more weeks, and I'll probably chill out with those, so I can focus on some other things. So I ain't no master teacher or guru, nothing like that. Just sharing my insight. And from there, I just want to see what information do y'all want to see. Y'all drop down in the comments. Really just let me know. You know what I'm saying? So we can go ahead and get that squared away. As far as consultations and everything like that, I'm probably going to focus on restructuring everything I got going on. As far as that, $30 for 30 minutes. I mean that's cheap for the stuff that we really be talking about. But I'm chill out on the consultations for right now. And with everything going on, is the credit, the business credit, the structure is different. I told y'all before, the fintechs, financial technologies is really where it's headed to. We really in this digital space when it comes to this economy. So, and it's going to give me some time to sit back and really focus on learning and helping to grow, so I can come back with some more valuable information for you all. But, the time is now for you all to be active and focus on bettering yourself from whatever standpoint. So that's that. And if all y'all are reaching out to me too as well, I haven't forgot about y'all. I have been getting overwhelmed with a bunch of different emails and DMs and things like that pertaining to several different things. So I'll probably, instead of doing consultation, I probably, probably set a designated day to just read. I know I was doing it before when I was doing live videos, but I probably set the designated time to read emails and DMs out loud. Sometimes I can hit you back in a DM, but if it's really long, then it gets challenging to try to just, I just need so much little details to really understand people's position. And then it's a lot of you all. So, everybody's important, but my time is important as well. And if I'm not getting uh, compensated for my time in some way, form, or fashion, then I'm not able to, really focus and in on that. So, I think a way to be for it be beneficial if I could probably just read them out loud or something like that. Because unless you all, when you're doing something and you're getting, tens and hundreds of emails, it can be very challenging to respond to people. But other than that, I was putting together a course, and I had everything already set up really, and I just kind of paused and with everything that was going on, trying to see, probably put a price on it. But with everything going on right now, I'm not sure. I'll probably just come out and share the information like I've been doing, and whoever pick up on it. But as far as the business credit, video, the step-by-step guide, y'all rock with that. It's, of course, like with anything, as time goes on, things changes, but there's still a lot of solid information in there. So that's free. And, I done paid thousands of dollars for that. So, y'all do what y'all do with that. And I'll figure some things out for you all who are serious, but, drop down in the comments and let me know whatever y'all want to see on this platform, things that you think may be beneficial and whatnot like that. So this just wanted to be short and to the point and really just say thank you. I so appreciate y'all, man, for rocking with me. It's only up for here. Let's continue to grow and build with one another, and stay tuned. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?